Alright, so I'm testing the positional audio on the Astro A50 wireless headset. Biggest test is to just see if I can hear people and if I can locate people just from sound. And I am running the Dolby Atmos Windows plugin, or Windows add-on, whatever you want to call it, for spatial audio. A coupon comes for it in the box with these headphones, so if you buy these, everyone should have a copy of that. And yeah, I'm definitely hearing where things are coming from. I wouldn't say it's over-exaggerated, doesn't sound echoey to me. So yeah, it's quite nice. I think they did a good job with just using the Dolby Atmos instead of trying to reinvent the wheel. I respect that when companies figure out that they're not the best at something and just use someone else's product. So, alright, yeah, that's really good. Thanks for watching.